Alright, hello everybody. So I just got back from the art store and this is all the stuff that I bought. As you can see here, I bought some different kinds of oil pastels, different brands. Most of the brands I use are in here. So let's see, I got nine oil pastel sticks. I got a workable fixative. I got this matte gloss varnish, not gloss varnish, but the matte varnish by Krylon. And I got this gloss varnish by Winsor & Newton. Haven't tried this yet, so curious to see how this will work. And of course I got some more workable fixative. And I found this paper by Clairefontaine here, and just get a little closer to the camera so you can see it. Okay, so this Clairefontaine, which is the same company that makes the pastel mat, and so they had these at the art store, and it's 9 by 12, and it's just a mixed media, multimedia paper, and it's got a good weight on it. And how many sheets? I get 20 sheets in here, and it's all this kind of beige color here. These are nice, very thick, kind of smooth, but there's a little texture on the paper, but nice thick paper. And so I'll definitely do a tutorial on this paper by Clairefontaine. I have a feeling it's going to be pretty good because I do like the pastel mat that they made. Alright, so I bet you're wondering just how much did this all cost me at the art store. Now I have in my area we have an art store that's by Blick. So if you know dickblick.com, that's a website. And it's an art website, so you can go on dickblick.com, buy a bunch of art supplies, right, get it shipped to you anywhere in the United States. And so they do have stores, actual physical stores, and so I'm lucky to live in an area. In my area there's two stores, and I'm about 8 miles from one and 20 miles from the other. So I like to just go down to the Dick Blick art store. They call it just the Blick art store, and get my supplies there. And so this is what I got today. And so how much do you think I spent on all this? Right here. 3 cans, 9 oil pastel sticks of different brands, and a pad of paper. Alright, well I have my receipt over here. And this is the receipt, and that is the total price there, $84.81 for that I just spent on. And that includes a rebate by Blick, because if you sign up with an account with them, which requires an email address and a phone number, you can use that to get their quote-unquote rebate cost, which who knows how much of a rebate it is, but you can see the original price was $97.11, and with the rebate, because I have an account, it's $12.30. So, and it's free to create the account. When you go on their website, you can be asked to sign up, log in with them, and they just want an email address, your name, and then a phone number. So I just use that when I actually go to the store. I can get the same rebate at the physical store. Okay, so let's go over each one of these. So, all right, so here's this is 007 Sennelier stick. Right, kind of their standard little price for that. How much do you think this stick here costs? Well, if I go look here, this right here is $4.55, and that includes the rebate. $4.55 for this Sennelier stick. Okay, and prices have gone up. I remember those were closer to $3. Here's a Van Gogh. Now I ran out of this color here, but this is a Van Gogh turquoise blue. So how much did this stick here cost? Here it is right here, turquoise blue, $2.65 for the Van Gogh. Right, that's a huge difference between a Sennelier as these Van Goghs. Of course, not as good quality, but not bad. All right, and so $2.65 for this, $4.55 for the Sennelier. Okay, let's talk about the Neo Pastel, Caran d'Ach, however you pronounce that. Neo Pastel. This is again a turquoise. I was kind of running out of these turquoise colors. I'm working on this painting here, which will be another tutorial, kind of halfway through it. So this Neo Pastel that I got, let's see if I can find it. There it is. $2.85, which is amazing to me that it's only 20 cents more, and it's such a better quality oil pastel than the Van Gogh. I mean, this stick right here is 20 cents more than this one, and this is such a better quality. It's second softest, I think, to Sennelier, and quality-wise, they're very, very good. In fact, I can do a whole painting just on using Neo Pastels. So amazing to me. It's only 20 cents more than the Van Gogh, but That's what it is. Okay, what else do I got here? Here's another Sennelier. This is kind of like an ochre color. It's number 243. And let's see if I can find it on here. Green, yellow, blah, 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 blah. Here it is. Earth brown is what they're calling it here. $4.55. So again, $4.55 for Sennelier, $2.85 for the Neo Pastels, and $2.65 for the Van Gogh. And those are the discount rebate prices, all right? Normally it's a little bit more, but like I said, it's free to create an account at dickblick.com. By the way, I'm not paid by Dick Blick, okay? So it's not like they're paying me anything for this stuff. All right, so this paper, you're wondering how much does this paper cost? It is 20 sheets, nice thick paper, 9 by 12 by Clairefontaine. How much was the paper? And the paper was right here, $18.99, and there was no discount. It was just $18.99 for this paper. Not bad. For 20 sheets, that's less than $1 a page for this pad of paper here, and I get 20 sheets of it for $18.99. Now, the pastel matte version of Clairefontaine, if I got pastel matte, it's over 60. It's probably close to 70 by now with all the inflation. All right, so 70 or 9 by 12, you get 20 sheets for $18.99. I think that's a pretty good deal for good quality paper. Okay, let's look at this Krylon. I decided to try the, I like the varnishes for finishing off, you know, doing that final spray finish on your oil pastel painting. So I got this one, and this is in the oil painting section of the art store. So you can't go to like the drawing section. They won't have this, but this is UV archival varnish. It's a matte finish made by Krylon. Okay, how much was this can right here? This can was $18.99 for this. Kind of spendy, but it is what it is. And it protects acrylic, watercolor, oil pastel. I'm surprised they even say that. Normally they don't even mention oil pastel. Colored pencil and oil. All right, decided to have, they do have the glossy version, decided to get the matte version. Anyway, I'm going to do a whole different tutorial on using this product, and I'll show you the entire process of how I varnish my finished oil pastel artwork. Okay, so I got some of this. We'll try that out. And then next to it, they had this Winsor & Newton gloss varnish, and it says protects oil and acrylic paintings. Okay, and it's just a spray can gloss varnish by Winsor & Newton. How much was this? This was $14.39 for this can right here. All right, again, I'll do a separate tutorial video just on using this spray can to protect oil pastel work. That'll come out later. All right, and then of course I got my workable fixative. I go through this stuff quite a bit. Again, by Krylon, workable fix. Protects pencil, pastel, and chalk drawings. Man, I go through so many cans of this. How much was this can? This can was, Krylon coat, $14.59 for this can right here. I remember this was close to $10, so inflation definitely has bumped up prices of everything. And all this right here, 9 oil pastel sticks, 1 pad of paper, 2 varnishes, and 1 workable fixative came out to $84.81. All right, art supplies are expensive. There is no joke. When you start, even if these things are only $2.65, when you get a bunch of them and you get some paper and throw in some fixatives, you're looking at, you know, 80 bucks. So anyways, quick video, and I'll show you this one I'm working on right now. So this is a separate tutorial that'll be coming out soon. I'm about halfway through, and of course it's turning into more of a water tutorial. But I'm going to finish it out, and it is on pastel matte 12 by 16. These are some of the colors I was using. I was running out of this color here because I was using that in the water, so that's why I got some more of these blues and turquoises here because I was kind of running out. So anyway, look for that tutorial. This will be a full-length tutorial. You know, probably 4 or 5 parts, maybe 45 to an hour on each part. So here's where I'm at with it, and you can just take a quick look at it and see where it's at. All right, anyways, quick video, guys. Just wanted to say hello. Just wanted to show you the cost of art supplies, and all right, I'll see you next time.